Welcome back to What I Tasted, where I take your favorite comfort foods and make them plant-based and better. You know, in general, a creepy crawly slider probably isn't what we want to eat, but today that is exactly what I'm making for this 31 days of Halloween. So prepare yourself and get ready to indulge in a creepy crawly but delicious recipe today. So now, as I'm trying to keep this recipe simple and kind of flow through this, the idea is to make a super simple recipe that you can bring your friends and family together for this Halloween. And so basically I have some barbecue sauce, I have some pickles, I have some plant-based cheddar cheese. In the background here I already made up some onion rings, and I put together my but better burger patties. So essentially those burger patties right now, they're in the meatball stage. I need to smash them down into some smash burgers, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring this together. So last slider is on and cooking, and so all I did was I just layered them up so we'll have the double patties. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the onion rings. So when it comes to onion rings, I need to just take some food scissors and cut some onion rings like so to make them like spider legs. And so we need to have a mixture of sized legs. All right, we have one final step for these sliders, and it's just taking some black olives and cutting them in half. And then start lining up the spider legs. And then take a couple olives, just put them on top, and you got your creepy crawly slider. So we got a creepy crawly slider. You know, it's really like a barbecue burger, right? It's super simple, but when it comes to plating up, you just do a little something fun with it and put the onion rings on the outside, put some olives on top, and you know, it's your barbecue burger that you can enjoy and call it a day. Have a good time with friends and family. But let's try this out. It's a good slider. It's good. You know, you get the spicy pickles in there, the barbecue sauce, the onion rings are great, the plant-based cheese comes through with the burger patties. Of course, we already know the burger patties are exceptional because they're my but better burger patties. But you know, this all comes together real nicely. It's a great dinner, maybe even appetizer, light dinner, whatever it is. But it's fun and it's great. So there we have the creepy crawly sliders. I'll see you again real soon. I'm Jeremiah, your friend with Food Benefits.